Okay, since you're having so much fun with the degrees, minutes, and seconds, let's take a look at something like this. Obviously, that is a 90-degree angle, right angle. If I tell you that this angle here is 22 degrees, 14 minutes, and 37 seconds, what's that angle have to be? How am I going to find it? 90 degrees. How many minutes? 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Minus 22 degrees, 14 minutes, and 37 seconds. Now here's where you were talking before, Kyle, where you actually have to go up to the 90 and borrow. That's going to be 89. This is now going to be 60. We're going to borrow from that. This will be 59, and this will now be 60. So now we just subtract 60 minus 37 is 23 minutes, or 23 seconds. 59 minus 14 is 45 minutes. 89 minus 22 is 67 degrees. What do you think? Good stuff? Better than a sharp stick in the eye? For now? If I give you this information in your notes, find that angle for me quick. So 180 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, minus 123, 51, 23. You should get 66 degrees, 8 minutes, and 56, sorry. 56 degrees, 8 minutes, 37 seconds. How many of you got that? How many of you have no clue how I got that? Good. You don't? Okay. Good. So let's say this angle right here is 53 degrees, 19 minutes. What's that angle right there have to be? 126 degrees, 41 minutes? Now there is a button on your calculator, by the way, that does this stuff for you. Depending on the model that you have. The graphing calculator is actually a little bit trickier to use. But most of your TI calculators, you'll have, if you have the two-line display, you'll actually have a key up there that looks like this. Looks like that. If you have the one-line display, you got to use second functions. On your second or your shift functions, above one key you'll have this. It'll say DD to DMS. And another one it'll say DMS to DD. Okay, well I'm going to take some time. I'll come around and look at your individual calculators and see if we... Okay, so now with this, I want to, rather than throwing more calculations at you, I think you guys have seen enough calculations. I want to throw a concept at you. So here's the concept. If I construct an angle here, then let's say that this angle is 79 degrees. If I construct another angle whose sides are parallel to the sides of this angle, what are the possible sizes of that angle? I mean, obviously I can draw, this is parallel to that side. This is parallel to that side. This angle would be 79 degrees. Are there any other values that it could possibly be? Are there any other values that it could possibly be?
Could it be equal or opposite?
If I draw a line here that's parallel to that side, right? I can draw a line here that's parallel to that side. What's this angle have to be? 101, the supplement. So if the sides are parallel, it's either equal to, not opposite, but supplementary. Opposite of 79 degrees would actually be 281 degrees.
Yeah, it could be going across.
They go in the opposite direction on the navigational chart.
Gotcha. That's pretty nice.
Actually, should be careful. It'd be 259 degrees. I should be careful. So anyway, how about this? Same angle, 79 degrees. This time, I'm going to construct sides that are perpendicular to each side. What possible angles could it form? So that's a right angle to there, right? That's a right angle to there. What's this angle got to be? Is it 79? Say no. 101. Why is it 101? It is the opposite, yes. These two are right angles. A four-sided figure has to add up to 360. Can I form any others? That's perpendicular. It doesn't touch that one, but if I extended it, it would be perpendicular. This angle is 79 degrees. Or I could do this. I could extend this out so it goes past that. And construct this so it's perpendicular. So this is 79 degrees, right?
Huh? Okay.
I constructed this perpendicular to this side. This one's perpendicular to this side over here. The intersect out here is 79 degrees.
Gotcha.
So anytime I have an angle, if I construct sides that are either parallel to both sides or perpendicular to both sides, I'll either get the same angle or its supplement. Don't say opposite. Opposite's 180 degrees out of phase. Supplement means it's subtracted from 180. Page 470, have you look at exercise 20-6, do the odds. Page 472 through 473. Exercise 20-7, do 1 through 19, the odd. Page 476. Exercise 21-3. 1 through 25, the odd. And page 482 through 484. Exercise 21-4, I want you to do 1 through 8 all. Since I didn't give you any homework time in the first hour, I'll give you an extra 10 minutes or so in this hour. You've got like 7 pages of homework to work on there. Should keep you busy for a half hour or so, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So go ahead, I'll give you guys the last 25 minutes to work.